Asalam-o-Alikum and welcome back. So our today topic is compound interest rate. So what is compound interest? Compound interest. When interest on interest is earned in this way, it is called compound interest. Interest is said to be compounded annually. When interest is paid only on the sum borrowed, it is called simple interest. But when the interest for each period is added to the principal for determining the interest of subsequent period, it is called compound interest. The idea can be generalized as that we have P, which is principal invested at compound interest. R is the interest rate per annum. A is the amount at the end of n years. So here at the end of n year the amount is deposited is, for this we have to write the formula that how we find the amount. A, which is the amount at the end of the n years. P is the principal amount. And into 1 plus R, which is a rate of interest, divided by 100, और पार में हमारे पास n आ जाएगा, which is presented n years. So compound interest is calculated as amount minus principal. Or we can write it CI, which is equal to A minus B. So the example is find the principal of rupees 4635.50 due at the end of 3 years at 5% per annum. So the example is given and we have the amount that amount A equals to four six three 5.50. The rate is already given, which is 5%. Time is 3 years, so T equals to 3 years. So we already know the formula that we can write it in this form. P equals to A whole divided by 1 plus R by 100 और पावर में हमारे पास आ जाएगा n. So we simply put the values in this formula and calculate the amount. the principal amount. So amount is already given, which is 4, 6, 3, 5.50 divided by 1 plus 5 divided by 100. And n is 3. So the answer is, with the help of the calculator, we have rupees 4,000. Next topic is depreciation. Most physical properties such as buildings, machinery and equipment decreases in value with time. So this loss in value is called depreciation. It is customary to set up a fund that will restore this loss in value over a period of time. So we have the example is, find the value of a power loom costing rupees 25,000 at the end of 8 years. If depreciation at 5% per annum. So how we will calculate the value of depreciation? So the value of power loom at the end of the 8 years is what? So the formula is used in this topic are in depreciation, that T is the scrap value into C. So C is the original value of the property into 1 minus R. R is the percentage rate and divided by 100. N is the number of years. So the C value or the original value is already given in the example. So we put all these value in the formula to calculate the scrap value or the depreciation rate. So C is 25,000 into 1 minus R. So the R is 5% divided by 100, which is already given in the formula, and N is already given in the example, which is 8. So the answer of this is, the scrap value, or we can say T value, is 25,000 into 0.95 upon 8. Now taking log on both sides, log on both sides. So log t log 25000 plus 8 log log की प्रॉपर्टी है जो चीज पावर में होती है वो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाती है सो log 0.95 so the answer is 4.21973 taking intilog on both sides intilog on both sides. So the value of T is, or the scrap value, or we can say depreciation is 1658 rupees.